Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope so you all are well, and today you are watching Multi-Tech Academy. And today we are going to design a stylish text and giving a texture or a graphics toward the text, and we can say that how to give the style and give different color to text. So first of all, I am going to take a page and click on the custom size, and I am going to put the popular and take a square shape page. So you can see that there is a beautiful white color page of square shape. So first of all, I am going to take a background. So you can take a funky beautiful colors of background. It's up to you that what you like. I'm going toward the nature and take beautiful colors of background. Stones colors and many other colors, wood shape colors, landscape color shape. Okay, 3D landscape color shade, abstract. There are different styles of background. You can put it on your page. I'm going to take the beautiful and the different background. Again, I am going toward the background and take the chromatic colors, because chromatic colors are most of the time are the very beautiful color shades. So that's why I'm going to take this one and pin it to the background. So when I'm going to take the background and make it blur, you can edit the image and make it blur as that you want. It's up to you how much you want to blur. I only want this. Okay, the next step to take the text and add your text, and I'm going to write here 2022 Happy New Year. Okay, so I'm going to larger the text, and you can give the color black to it. There are two things, main style and the highlight style. When you are going to put on the highlighted style, it takes one of the two version which you want. Okay, I want only this one, and it's up to you. Okay, you can okay, only 2022 is the highlighted text and main text. Now I'm going to format the text and give the style toward the text. It's up to you that what you want and which type of style or the family of the style you can give into your text. Okay, now I'm come on toward the for 2022, sorry, and I am taking this. Now the style of 2022 is different and Happy New Year is different. So now I am going to enlarge the text here. Okay, now I'm going to give the shape and click on it. First of all, I am going to give the color, because Yes, now the shape is here, and I'm going to give the rectangular shape to the text. You can increase the size of the shape according to your text. You can see here. Okay, you can also see that I am stretching the text further. The main text size is 400. 2022 Happy New Year, and highlighted text is toward 550. Okay, the color of the text is black. Now you can see here our background is hide with the white color, and when I'm going to click on the shape, there is a beautiful option to mask your text. So you can put on the mask. You can see that the text take the color of the background. Now I'm going to give the outline of black color shade, and I'm going to thin the shape of the outline, and also click on the highlighted text, and also I'm going to give the outline of black color. Now I am going to give one thing more. I'm going toward the design assist and click on the frames, and I am going to take these glitter colors. You can take any of the frame from here. You can see here they are beautiful colors, shades. Okay, I'm going to take this green color. Yes, it takes time to work come here, and now I am going to put it here and rotate this like that. And I'm going to large it, and now I'm going to crop the glitter color toward this only, and yes, and now the beautiful things is going to happen. These are the layers, and I'm going to put this behind the text. Now you can see there 2020 with 2022 with the glitter shades, and Happy New Year with the different color shades. And you can also give the shadow to your text. It's up to you if you want to give, but I'm not want to give the shadow toward the text, and it's look beautiful enough. And also you can give shape of different color. You can also give the black color shade, and it's look more beautiful than that of your thoughts. So this is enough for today's task, and you can design now. You can design the stylized text in Adobe Spark, or you can say that Adobe Creative Cloud. Thank you for watching.